Today, we head to the revitalized 8th Street corridor in Northeast Washington, D.C. I'm visiting with my friend Ted as he crafts an old-fashioned riff at the Afro-Caribbean themed bar and restaurant Lydia on H. Let's go see it.
All right, hey, how's it going? It's Ted. Welcome to Lydia on H, an Afro-Caribbean inspired restaurant. Here to show you one of my riffs on an old fashioned. Since this is a Caribbean restaurant, we're gonna be using rum. I know, it's usually whiskey, but a dram is a dram is a dram, right? So let's keep it moving. Gonna be using Equiano Light. It's a really good Afro-Caribbean rum. Some good stuff. Clyde puts out some good juice. Probably have a whole segment on that at some point. Let's get it started. We're going to do 2 ounces here. The Equiano. Going to do a 1/4 ounce of orgeat syrup. It's made in house, by the way. And I'm just gonna grab some ice. Don't forget a little bit of bitters. Let's give it a stir. Cold, baby. Grab one of these, and everybody has like a big ice cube, but they don't have big coconut cubes, right? So you just the coconut water, freeze it, and you're good to go. Works very well with rum. And keep it traditional, the not so traditional. There you go. Equiano rum orgeat old fashioned. Not so mediocre old fashioned.
All right, here we go, man. Now for the big riff. What is this? Does it have an official name?
No name.
This is just your riff.
Yeah.
So we have rum, orgeat. Orgeat. Simple syrup. Right?
It's an orgeat syrup, so it's
syrup.
It's almond milk,
right?
Syrup, yeah, basically.
And then, what type of bitters did you use?
Angostura.
Oh, Angostura bitters, traditional with the Angostura, and then a damn coconut water ice cube. Man, so letting it sit for a couple seconds is actually a really good thing when it comes to this cocktail. So let's see. Cheers, man. Appreciate you. Wow, that's crazy, man. So I never give a review after one sip. I always go 2 sips. Gosh, it's so pleasant because you know what? It's something about coconut that gives a chocolatey type of taste, right?
Yeah, it could be the nuts too. Like it's like the toast and the nuts. You get like a kind of it's like a candy bar almost.
Yeah.
You get that like so you think chocolate.
You think of almond joy or something like that, right? Maybe that's what it is. It's maybe it's the it's tapping into something in my mind that's giving me that taste. This is and you have 2 ounces of rum here.
Yep.
Listen, y'all. Ask for this when you come here, man. Ask for the Whiskey Kicks Old Fashioned Riff. Ask for Ted first. So it's unlike a traditional old fashioned. It's kind of like milky in a way.
Yeah.
Right. You know what I'm saying? Because of the syrup, I would assume.
Exactly.
And so it gives you like this. It stays with the theme of the restaurant, like this kind of Caribbean, right? Kind of theme. You know what I'm saying? Like Afro-Caribbean theme. This is perfect, dude. It's such a pleasant cocktail, and it's a good introduction to an old fashioned. What am I word I'm looking for? Conceptually, an old fashioned for a person who doesn't necessarily drink old fashions, right?
It's like it's still spirit, sweetener,
yep.
citrus.
You have elements.
It's still other books, some bitters, but it's just change them up a little bit.
You almost taking somebody. If you put it in a different glass, you have a tiki cocktail. Right? You know what I'm saying? But man, this is delicious, dude. Like this, you could sit here and drink you'll plow through this, and then all of a sudden you're like, give me another one. Give me another one. You have 4-6 ounces of rum. So be careful, y'all, with this cocktail. It's really, really pleasant. Man, that's nice, dude.
Yeah,
well,
like it's better as it as the ice.
Just let it chill for a minute. Take it easy. It's easy to plow through this cocktail. Really easy, but take it easy. So conceptually, what made you play around with the orgeat?
I just really like I'm the orgeat. I'm not sure. I gotta figure out how.
I know. Listen, I don't care.
Some
Whatever.
people say orgeat. I say orgeat. So like, it sounds more like
Tarjay.
Orgeat. But like I guess I make some damn good orgeat.
Word.
It's like been one of my things since 1-8. I've been doing it for a long time. Just refining the recipe.
What is it?
So it's basically like traditionally like an almond milk syrup, like an almond syrup.
No, I'm saying orgeat itself or orgeat itself. That's what it is.
Yeah,
it's a syrup.
Syrup, yeah.
Okay, so it's not like a plant or some shit.
Yeah,
I had no idea what the hell it was, y'all. Look, I'm not the whiskey or booze expert. I talk to the experts. This is what I do. So this is also the person who put me on to using chickpea juice as an egg white substitute if you want to get a foam on top of your cocktail. This is the guy who taught me that. Good shit, man. Good stuff. Yeah, I love it. I love this. And visually, right, it's tapping into my youth because it's like the orange creamsicle.
Ah, yes.
A little bit lighter than the orange creamsicle. So I think in my mind, it takes me there, even though it doesn't taste like that.
Yeah.
It doesn't taste like that, but it's just it's tapping into a happy space in my mind because of the way visually.
Yeah.
You know what I mean?
Yeah.
Once again, Teddy gets it done, man. Appreciate you, bro.
Oh yeah.
Yeah, man. Yes, sir.
Bro, keep talking about whiskey and